But starting is always uncomfortable. You have to accept this. Starting is always uncomfortable. You have to accept this. So accept it. I remember those days when I used to come in front of camera and tried many times to speak properly in front of camera about any topic. But I can vividly remember that I was not able to speak the way I wanted to speak. Sometimes I used to forget what I'll say, or sometimes I used to get fully blank that what I have to say. And nervousness, low confidence, out of context, many things used to happen. And every time I used to pause, again retake, again pause, again retake. So this struggle is kept going on for a long time. And I was end up making lots of mistakes. But now, how much I have improved, on the basis of that I can say you what exactly you should do to speak on camera confidently, strongly, so that people listen to you and you also feel comfortable in speaking in front of camera. So if you are thinking that, or if you are facing this problem that you are unable to speak confidently on camera, or whenever you come in front of camera you get confused, you get nervous, you get out of context of your topic, you don't know what exactly you are going to say, you are losing the control over your speaking, then this video is for you. So if you watch this video from first to last, I'm sure that you will definitely be able to understand what exactly you should do when you speak in front of camera. You will look confident, you will look much better than before in front of camera. The first mistake we do, that without taking any preparation, we come in front of camera, that I used to do without taking any preparation. Just I thought that yes, this is the topic that I'm going to talk about, but I have not taken any preparation of that. I am very hurry. So the first point, first of all, be calm, relax. Then what you have to do is you have to choose one topic, any one topic, the topic you are going to speak on. Choose a topic. If the choice of your topic is over, then take a piece of paper like this. You take a piece of paper, simple piece of paper, then write down what exactly you want to say about that topic. Write down. It might be 1 page, it might be 2 pages, or it might be more than that. It depends on the topic that you are choosing. Write down. Once you write down the content about that particular topic, now you have to highlight the main bullet points. Because if you say something without points, without the without stoppage, then those who are listening, they will not get the proper concept about what you are saying, so that they might face problem in understanding. So it's always better to have points. Break down your speech, break down your content, and make point, bullet points, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 5, like this. So make the main bullet points. Once you make the bullet points, then you will get that breakdown. That means your speech is now almost ready. Read and remove the difficulties. Sometimes what happens, sometimes we write the speech in such a way so that we can find that lots of words we write, and that words are very difficult to pronounce, or difficult for the audience to understand. Or sometimes there are also some sentences that are difficult for the audience, at the same time difficult for the speaker to speak in a very natural way. So remove those difficulties from your speech. Remove those. Make it simple, make it natural, make it as we speak. Don't go theoretical, make it practical. Okay? So read and remove the difficulties. Now you have to pick one point at a time. Pick one point at a time and you practice. Practice. Now, how to practice? You can practice in two ways. Take your mobile phone. Take your mobile phone. Switch on the back camera, not the front camera. Switch on the back camera and just sit up properly on the tripod. Then you start speaking, looking at the camera. Looking at the camera, one point at a time. Don't take so many points at a time and try to speak, because now it is practice part. It's not final, it's practice. This is one process. Another process, don't open any camera. Just normally you sit or stand, nothing else, looking at the wall or looking at directly something else. Just you talk about that particular topic. About that particular topic. That we practice. And when you will practice this thing, by the time you finish practicing all the point, I'm sure you will gain a very good level of confidence. Very good level of confidence you will acquire. If it is not possible in first round, then you continue for the second round. Initially, it is going to take time. Initially, it will definitely take some time, because when I faced this problem, it took me lots of time. So we don't think that it is going to solve in 1 day or 2 days. It's going to take some months. At least it took me 2-3 months to be very comfortable in front of camera. So, but starting is always uncomfortable. You have to accept this. Starting is always uncomfortable. You have to accept this. So accept it. Now the last stage, that is switch on the camera. Switch on the camera, thinking in this that now I am going to speak in front of camera, but this video will not be uploaded anywhere. This is just I am giving one test. This mindset if you keep. Now you might ask me that, Rajib, why you are saying that this is test? Yeah, I'm going to make it final. Yes, you are going to make it final. I understand. But when you will put this input that it is I am making only to test, then your mind will think that yes, it is for test, so don't need to be so so serious. I don't want to be so serious. Let's be gradual, let's be natural. So you'll get the very natural output in front of camera if you say or if you keep this mindset. But once you think that this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube or social media, then it's natural that your brain will take it very seriously. And when you will take it seriously, then definitely the content you're going to get out of it is going to be very serious, by the way. So don't give pressure. Don't give pressure. Be casual. Okay? Then the last bonus tip that I want to say is that is speak slowly. Don't try to be in a rush. No. You don't have anything to do that time, so you have lots of time and you can say your points one by one. You have enough time. So speak slowly. Now, the benefits of speaking slowly are many, but I want to say something here. Some benefits are there, I'm saying you. First of all, when you speak slowly, you will have a very good control over your speaking. What you're speaking. At the same time, you'll also get enough time to think and speak. Think and speak. And when you're speaking in this way, the audience, those who are listening to you, they will also get a very good amount of time to digest, to understand what you are saying. That's why it is very important to speak slowly, not so fast, not so slow, just at a moderate level. Okay. So this way if you practice at least 7 to 15 days, then I am quite sure you can speak very confidently and with courage. Because when you follow all these steps and practice, take proper preparation, automatically you will feel that one feeling of confidence, and that is what you need in front of camera. So that will definitely build up, and over time it will be in such a level you can't imagine that you will have a very good comfort in a very good natural way of speaking. So keep practicing this way and keep making videos. I hope this video will be very helpful for you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, then definitely you can write down in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you by replying. Thank you very much.